Hello traders, today we are looking at the Double ZigZag No-repainting Indicator available from MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This tool uses two zigzag analyzers to identify stable pivot points without repainting. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks like in real time. Don't forget to allow DLL imports so the indicator will work properly. The indicator places colored dots on the chart at identified pivot points. Blue dots mark pivot highs detected by the faster zigzag, while dark orange dots mark pivot lows from the faster zigzag and are also used by the slower zigzag for both highs and lows. The key advantage is that these dots are non-repainting, as in the name, meaning once a bar closes and a dot is placed, it stays there permanently. This gives you a reliable map of market structure, showing swing highs and swing lows. Now, if we come to its settings, we'll see the settings for the zigzag fast and the slow zigzag, and then we can also adjust the color. Now, this indicator suits traders who want clean market structure identification without the frustration of repainting signals. It is useful for trend and counter trend trading, identifying reversal zones, and mapping wave structures. However, it is a visual tool only and does not execute trades. Its pivot points identify areas of interest and not guaranteed reversal levels. Confirmation from other tools is always recommended when using this indicator. Download this indicator from the link in the description below. Subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications for more videos of indicators.